Check out this 2006 Ford F-250. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include passenger vanity mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, passenger airbag, intermittent wipers, tow hooks, power outlet, and driver airbag. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.